staying with Alpa and what? Are you really serious? You haven't made Thandai before? Why is that? You think it's too complicated? It's actually really simple. So let me show you what you're gonna need to make this Thandai, which is really refreshing. Very simple, few ingredients. I've taken 20 almonds which I've soaked overnight and removed the skin, and I've taken 20 pistachios, which is pista, and soaked them overnight and removed the skin. Okay, so you're gonna also need some watermelon seeds, which is tarbooj or kalingad seeds, 2 tablespoons, muskmelon kharbuja seeds, 2 tablespoons, black pepper, that's kali miri, 1.5 teaspoon, poppy seeds, which is khaskhas, 1.5 tablespoon, fennel seeds, that's sauf, 1.5 tablespoon, cardamom, which is elaichi, 6 to 8, sugar around 300 grams or about 1 cup, water, that is about 150 ml, that's half a cup. You usually go sugar and then half the quantity of the sugar for making this. Now let's quickly start, and of course you're going to need milk. Let's not forget the milk. This all ingredients are for the Thandai mix, and then you're going to of course need some milk to go with it. Okay, so let's start making our Thandai mix. The first step for it is to heat up our pan or wok or kadai, and in which all of these ingredients, barring the almonds and pistachios and sugar, will go in here. We are nicely going to dry roast them. So we're going to first add the black pepper, followed by the fennel seeds, muskmelon and the watermelon seeds, and finally by poppy seeds. We're also going to add the elaichi, but I want to remove the seeds from the elaichi and then add it. So now my elaichi seeds are also in, and I am going to keep moving this around, our mix around, for another minute or two. We want to make sure that the color doesn't change. So right before the color starts changing, we are going to turn off our flame and put it in a mixer. So it's perfect amount of time for us to now turn off the flame and put this mix in our mixer grinder. So guys, after a quick roast, I have transferred it into a blender, and I am going to make a fine powder out of it, but only after it comes down to room temperature. So I'm going to wait. Next time you see me, it's going to be with a nice fine powder out of this mix. Ta-da! Our powder is ready, and now let's keep it aside, and now let's just focus on the pistachios and almonds. We need to make a paste out of this as well. So we are just simply going to add it to the same blender, add a tad bit of water. That's about it, and we are going to now blend this as well. Ta-da! Our almond and pistachio paste is ready. Look at it, it's nice and finely grinded. So now I'm going to keep it aside, and now I'm going to focus on making our sugar syrup. So first going to add that 1 cup of sugar in that same wok, and I'm going to add half of the amount of water as of the sugar in the wok, and then I'm going to turn on the flame and wait till the time the sugar melts. So I'm going to keep stirring it till the time the sugar melts. So our sugar is nicely melted in with the water, and this sugar syrup has come to a boil. This is the perfect time for us to add our powder. Now this powder, once you add this, it is going to release this amazing aroma. So that is why we add this first, and in the next 30 seconds we will add the almond and the pistachio in here. Okay, nicely mix it all in. Make sure that there are no lumps. You can also at this time turn off the flame. So now after 30 seconds, I'm going to add our almond and pistachio paste. And mix it all in. And now guys, I am simply going to wait till the time this mix comes to a room temperature. So we are just simply waiting for it to cool down and come to a room temperature, and then we will proceed with the final step. Our Thandai mix is now at room temperature, and now let's just conclude this recipe. So just gonna mix it again quickly, and now I'm gonna take about 2 spoons of the Thandai mix, maybe another half. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add some chilled milk. Give it a nice stir. And cheers, guys. Amazing. So refreshing. Perfect amount of sugar and perfect amount of blend of spices. Just absolutely refreshing. You got to make this today. Make it now and you are just simply going to enjoy this. This mix is going to last in your refrigerator for another month or so. So keep it in an airtight container and enjoy it throughout the month. And I will see you soon, guys. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. And also, you will find the details of this recipe at my website, which is somethingscookingwithalpa.com. Take care. Bye-bye. Amazing. So refreshing. I can just gulp this down. Wow. You want a sip? Yeah. Take.